I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how to cook sea bass fillet to perfection. First, it's crucial to pat your sea bass fillets completely dry with paper towels. This step is essential for achieving that wonderfully crispy skin we all love. Next, season both sides of your fillets generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Finally, preheat your pan to a medium-high heat before adding any oil, ensuring it's hot enough for a great sear. Now that your pan is hot, add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil. Carefully place your sea bass fillets into the pan, skin side down. Gently press down on each fillet for a few seconds to ensure the entire skin makes even contact with the hot surface. Cook the fillets on the skin side for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until the skin is beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crisp. Once the skin is perfectly crisp, it's time to flip the fillets. Immediately add about 1 tablespoon of butter to the pan. As the butter melts, tilt the pan slightly and use a spoon to baste the fish with the flavorful, melted butter. This step adds incredible richness and moisture. Continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes, or until the fish is opaque throughout and flakes easily with a fork. After cooking, carefully remove the sea bass fillets from the pan and place them on a plate or cutting board. It's important to let them rest for about 2 minutes. This brief resting period allows the internal juices to redistribute evenly throughout the fish, ensuring every bite is moist and tender. Serve your perfectly cooked sea bass immediately with your favorite side dishes for a truly delicious and satisfying meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.